Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you the latest and greatest from Vacation Tracker for the month of March 2026. It's time to celebrate because one of our most requested features, birthday notifications, is finally here. That's right, you never have to worry about missing a teammate's special day ever again. Because with birthday notifications, you can set up automated message that gets sent out on the employee's birthday, including having an optional reminder sent a few days before to the relevant people. Just like other Vacation Tracker notifications, you can pick when the messages are sent, choose the language, and select the delivery channel and let us take care of the rest. Alongside the release of birthday reminders, we've also made several updates and improvements to the Vacation Tracker platform. This includes improving our cross-platform notification reliability, strengthening our overall security, and some polished wording and UI copy across different screens in the app. But if you're looking to step into our developer playground, then be sure to check out our developer documents, which are now live on our website. We have in-depth guides on Zapier integrations, OAuth 2 authorization, as well as full API references. So whether you're building custom workflows, automating processes, or even just exploring what's possible, these documents make it simple to get started, so feel free to check them out. And of course, our monthly update video wouldn't be complete if we didn't check in on the progress of our tree planting initiative. This month, thanks to your contributions and our partnership with One Tree Planted, we were able to plant 913 trees. Because every leave request that you submit contributes to a real-life environmental impact. So when your team takes a break, the planet gets one too. And that's all of our updates for the month of March. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next month.